This is a seriously cool pattern from Diesel Punk Row. I made this. I had leather that was much thicker than recommended, but it worked out fine because I did a special, couple of special processes. Those are magnets that I was just pointing to that I attached to the top of the lid, so you can actually just put like little rulers and things like that there. Pockets are super useful, and I did put little press studs on there. It's amazing how much you can fit in this little carry bag toolbox. I did make a few changes which are in the description, and also a link to the pattern is in the description as well. Took me about 3 days on and off to make this pattern. I didn't dye it, it's all natural, so it's had Dubbin rubbed into the outside and then Tokonole for a nice, smooth, good look. I also rubbed the inside with the Tokonole so everything's smooth. The little pocket at the back there's really good for punch board and cutting board. And see all the little tools in the little loops? It's amazing just what you can fit in this. Quite heavy when it's full, but I think one of the best features what I added were those little magnets at the front, which really held my little rulers, which are easy to slide in places and get lost. It was a little bit narrow for my hammer, and so you can see it's not quite A4 width, but that's okay. Everything works perfectly. I can always get a hammer with a shorter handle, and it's not going to make any difference. Closes beautifully, strong handle. I did put a little bit of wood underneath the handle for strength. Clips for a shoulder strap. Perfect. Who wouldn't want to take that around with all their tools? Really proud of that finish.